In this video, I will show you how to comment on Fandom. First, open the Fandom website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, scroll down to explore different pages available on the platform. Click on any page that interests you. After selecting a page, locate the Discuss icon on the right side of your screen and click on it. This will take you to the discussion section, where you can view all the posts related to that wiki. If you want to create a new post, click on the option to create a post, add a title, and write a description. You can also include images if needed. However, if you want to comment on an existing post, simply click on the post, scroll down, and you'll see all the comments below it. To add your own comment, click on the comment box, type your message, and include any URLs or images if desired. Once done, click on Create Reply to post your comment. If you don't see the option to comment, it means your Fandom account email is not verified. To verify your email, check the inbox of the email address linked to your Fandom account. Look for an email from Fandom and click on the Confirm Now button. Without verifying your email, you won't be able to comment on any posts. Once verified, you can easily participate in discussions and share your thoughts on Fandom.